Okay, today we're going to talk about good gas versus bad gas in your lawn equipment. Just a couple of days ago, I bought a little Troy-Bilt weed eater. It has a 4-stroke motor, and when I bought it, I could see that the gas had a little bit of a yellow tint to it, and the gentleman described to me a weed eater that when he tried to start it, it stumbled but wouldn't quite start. I looked at it and sort of smiled and said, yeah, this is an easy one. And so what I did, just to give it a fair playing field, I went ahead and put a different carburetor on it, and I put a brand new spark plug in it. And then after that, I went ahead and tried to start it with the bad gas. And here's what it sounds like with the bad gas when you try to start it.
We're ready to go.
Okay. Okay, now we went ahead and took the gas out and put new gas in, and you can see the difference between the two here. The bad gas has a little bit of a yellow tint, where the brand new fresh gas looks very clear. So while we're doing this, we're going to shorten the fuel lines down to something reasonable. Whoever put these lines on, a little bit ambitious about it. A little bit on the long side, just a little bit. There we go. Now we'll pump it about 10 times, get the old gas out of the way. Now the gas in the filter looks a whole lot better. Doesn't have that yellow tint the old gas had. Okay, now let's give her a run and see if she sounds any better. Okay, now note this would not start at all. It stumbled a little bit, and that was it. And even holding it wide open, it would try to run but wouldn't because the fuel just wasn't good enough. And now with the new gas, although we had to set the idle and get it tweaked a little bit to get it just perfect, it runs fine. So the only difference in those two was good gas versus bad gas. So before you throw your lawn equipment away or sell it to somebody like me, change the gas out and flush it through the system and see if that doesn't get it running. I would say when I see something with gas like that, probably 70% of them are perfectly good equipment that just needed fresh fuel. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.